A pretty guy. And what kind of peacock is this? Got the wind blowing here, so it's probably hard to hear. Oh, he's pretty. Wait, you're now live.
Snowy call ducks.
These are call ducks. That's C-A-L-L ducks.
Chocolate call ducks.
Okay.
It started to mold already.
Wow.
The white and the blue hen.
Okay. Yep. They're what?
Gray pied.
Okay. Okay. These are mandarin?
Yeah, I should move it. Mandarin ducks.
Oh, here are the pigeons. Wow, they're pretty. And the average price for these would be
About $7-8 for the barn pigeons. Anywhere up to 20 and 25 for the fancier. See the fantail.
so that's a barn pigeon right there sitting up on top.
Yeah,
right?
that's a barn pigeon. Yeah.
I know, I used to have them in my barn. And the fancier ones, the white ones are
Like the fantail back there is more than $100.
20 to 25 for this one. Okay. Pigeons. Okay. Wow, you must sell a lot of pigeons.
Actually, I just bought these last night for a resale.
Those white ones are pretty.
Yeah.
And the gray ones are the barn pigeons.
Yeah, and the white ones are, well, they're usually domesticated. Yeah.
Okay, this is a fantail pigeon. They're pretty.
The lady Amherst pheasant in the back.
What's the going price on these?
The fantails? Around 25.
25. Now over there in the corners, the ones with long tails, what are they?
Lady Amherst pheasant.
Lady what?
Lady Amherst pheasant.
Lady Amherst pheasants. They look more exotic. Wow, yeah. What's the price on those?
Around 100 a pair.
Okay, 100 for a pair.
But I don't have any pairs right now. I'd be down to.
These are pheasants. Whoops. So these are the most common exotic pigeon pheasant, and it's called a what?
Red golden pheasant.
A red golden pheasant. Oh, they're pretty. Yeah.
I can get most of the spelling within a couple letters.
Oh, that's the best picture. He looks pretty nice to me. What's the name of that bird?
Red golden pheasant.
The red golden pheasant. Wow. Yeah, he's pretty. Barn pigeons and ringtail.
Ringtail and mandarin ducks.
Ringtail and mandarin. Oh yeah, you got a bunch of different animals. Okay. Variety of goats. Boar goats, the little alpine mix in there. Yep. people will buy these for meat.